Dash is blasting off over 29% pump today, guys. We're going to be covering the critical levels here for Dash. Where could Dash be headed next? And what are some potential pullbacks for Dash? Let's start covering this, guys. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading these blockchains every single day. And that's right, I brought the vest back out of retirement. So let's jump right into it. As you guys can see here, Dash was in a massive consolidation below 50 bucks for many months. Even the last 2 years, I would say, has been down here. And just recently, as you guys can see right behind me, we've had a major blast off to over $89. And we're going to be covering one of these next big levels. So let's jump right into the chart, guys, here. As you can see, once again, major range down here below 25 bucks for the previous entire quarter. Now we come into the month of October, and Dash has started to consolidate above 25, going into a nice uptrend here, topping out around $61 for the month of October. We ranged up here, held this area very, very nicely, ranging between $41 to $61 for the entire month of October. And finally, now that the month of October has officially closed and we've created a new range, breaking out, Dash said, "See ya later, alligator." We're blasting off, and we have gone all the way over $89, right? So what are we looking for here? Very simple, guys. After such a major parabolic move, we have to expect some type of pullback, some type of retest. That is what the smart trader is expecting right now. Now, that being said, doesn't mean that when price gets irrational like this and we have blast off price actions, major short squeezes, that we can't continue to be irrational. We definitely can, but I'm not getting into Dash right now. If I didn't buy Dash at $40 or $25, I'm not going to be buying it at $89 right now. This is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be waiting for a pullback here. I'm going to be waiting for a retest. We are currently above the 2024 highs and the 2023 highs of between $71 to $78. I would be waiting for a retest down to the $68 382 fib retracement. If we lose this area and drop below, my next critical area to be looking for is this $61, right? The October month high. If we start falling below that, then these targets right here, these untapped targets, come into play drastically. We have a gold pocket at $48. We have a monthly average and a monthly MPLC at 45 and 44, right? That is extremely, extremely valuable information if we come back below the previous month high. Meanwhile, we stay above the previous month high of $61. These targets are not even in the question right now. So you might be asking, well, Crusader, if we don't come down to $61, when do I look for? Well, I will be looking for, like I said, between 68 to 61 and getting another temperature check at this point in time to see if we're going to be retracing and all the way down here and touching these targets again, or we're just going to be having a shallow retracement down to 68 before moving up higher. We do have untapped targets to the upside between $100 and $103. We got two targets, a monthly and a weekly average here, very tight. And then above that, we got nothing else all the way up to $118 for Dash. As you guys can see, Bitcoin is in a very tight consolidation here in the last couple of weeks, right? If we go take a look at the Bitcoin chart, the last month overall, very tight consolidation, and the Bitcoin dominance still remaining high at 60%. If Bitcoin's dominance drops, I mean, Dash is already doing phenomenal, right? If Bitcoin's dominance actually begins to drop below that 59 percentile and starts breaking down towards 56, we could see Dash exploding to way higher price action. Now, if you've enjoyed this technical analysis here on Dash, just imagine what you could be getting in my private trading group, where you get daily actionable data, where you can actually do trade setups and catch these moves live in my live trading sessions, trading signals, trading course, and daily chart analysis every single day in my own personal trading group, guys. And right now, I'm running you guys the best deal that the entire group has ever seen. 75% off your first month with the promo code Black Friday 25. Black Friday 25, you hit apply and you're going to get 75% off your first month. That is the deal of a lifetime right now. If you guys want to start getting in and start getting some actionable data where you can actually be taking trades and making some potential gains here in this market with real information, guys. No price predictions, no FOMO or hype, just straight up data analysis every single day, guys. And that is in the private trading group. So make sure you guys are joining and using that code Black Friday 25 to get 75% off. Guys, like always, I'm Blockchain Crusader, Crusading through these blockchains, and I'll see you in the Crypto Citadel. See ya.